Hi everyone, it's Mark again from All Active Camps, bringing you another arty video in partnership with Solihull Mums and Dads. Thank you to everyone who shared our video last week, who posted photographs of their amazing creations. Please do the same thing again today. Please share this, please like this, and please post photographs at the end of what you've made. Today we're going to show you how to make one of these amazing robots. It's very simple, the materials that you need. You need one A4 sheet of paper, you need some scissors, a pen, some Pritt stick, some sellotape, and then just a couple of straws. Don't forget to pause the video as we go through it. Okay, stop and start it, and then by the end, you'll have something hopefully looking a little bit like this. Remember, I reckon yours could be better than mine, so don't forget to post your photographs once you're finished in the comments. You should start by folding your sheet of paper in half and then carefully use your scissors to cut along that crease. Take one of the pieces that you have just cut and then fold this in half like shown. You should then unfold and now fold the two outside edges only as far as the halfway crease that you have just created. The next instruction needs the careful use of scissors. Fold your sheet of paper in half again. Now you should see another crease line that's running halfway down your paper. You should now carefully cut into your paper from the folded edge all the way down to that crease in the middle. Really try and be very precise when cutting so that your cut stops at that crease line. You should make a cut into your paper every ½ centimetre until you reach the other end. Take a glue stick and making sure that you notice how the folds are pointing outwards. You want to stick together the two uncut sections to create a triangle shape. The next step is to create your robot's arm and body. Take the other sheet of paper, the other half of paper that you haven't already used, and cut it into 3 sections of 3 different widths, as you can see in the video. Make sure you cut long ways down your paper. Take the thinnest strip and the widest strip that you've got and attach the thinnest strip to the widest strip about 1 centimetre from the top. Then place your robot legs on top of your body, put a line of glue along the bottom edge of your body, and then stick the bottom edge to the top edge of your body. Take your remaining sheet of paper, cut off about 7 centimetre section that will become your robot head. Cut another very slim length off as well to become the antennae. Glue this antennae to the head as shown, and then the head to the body. Now is the time to take your pen and give your robot some eyes and a mouth. Be as creative as you like, plus also carefully cut out some hands. Okay, I've done a good job of not clearly demonstrating the next step on camera very well, so listen carefully. You need to sellotape the legs in place within the body, so make sure that the body is in the middle of the leg, so move it along the leg so there's equal amount of leg coming out of either side of the body. And then put some sellotape along the bottom edge of the body and onto the flat, uncut bottom edge of the legs. Make sure you do this on both sides of the body. And then finally, you want to sellotape your straws to the ends of your legs. And there you have it, your robot walker. Well done, everybody.